Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today we'll be talking about players whose contract will expire this year, players that are going to be out of contract in 2021, Asante Kotoko Players actually. The first player we have right here is Emmanuel Jumfi. I've already made a video about that and I was asking you guys to let me know if Kotoko should renew Emmanuel Jumfi's contract because his performance haven't been that good, but lately he has been finding his feet. I don't know if the club will offer him a new contract. I would like to know your thoughts. Should Kotoko let Emmanuel Jumfi go or he should be offered a new contract? Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think about Emmanuel Jumfi's future at Asante Kotoko. The next player we have here is Osman Ibrahim. He's out injured. He's already scored 2 goals in our competition this season. I think he's the only player that have scored in our African campaign. He scored 8 goals in the Ghana Premier League, truncated Ghana Premier League season, that last season, and he has been injured so far, I think for like a month or so. Kotoko have not yet made up their mind if they're going to renew his contract. So his contract expires in 2021, yes. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Should Kotoko renew his contract or should he be allowed to leave? Tell me what you think about Osman Ibrahim's contract situation at Asante Kotoko. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. The next player we have here is Habib Mohammed. He received a Black Stars call-up before the coronavirus pandemic hit, so he couldn't make his Black Stars debut, but his value increased the moment Siki Akono handed him that Black Stars call-up. His contract expires this year and Kotoko will definitely be looking to renew his contract because he's one of the most valuable players. He started the season as a centre back, but now he's been deployed in the defensive midfield by Johnson Smith. I'd like to know your thoughts on Habib Mohammed's situation. Do you think Kotoko should renew his contract or should let him go or sell him when the contract and transfer window opens in few days time? I would like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. The next player we have is Naby Keita. He has not been playing since, but lately since the departure of William Opoku-Mensah, Johnson Smith has been partnering up with Kwame Opoku. Some people feel he's not good enough and some people feel that he should not get a contract extension. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Should Kotoko extend Naby Keita's contract or should he be allowed to leave the club? I think he's been scoring some important goals and making some good appearances. Do you think that's enough to earn him a contract extension? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think about Naby Keita's contract situation at Asante Kotoko. The next player we have right here is Samuel Frimpong. One of my favorite players at Asante Kotoko. His contract expires this year. Do you think they should renew his contract? Because I think Samuel Frimpong has been one of the best players in the squad this season. When deployed in the midfield, he gives you his best. Deployed at the right back, he gives you his best. Deployed at the wings, he gives you his best. So do you think his contract should be extended? Personally, I think his contract should be extended because he's been very, very good this season. I'd like to know your thoughts. Your thoughts also matter. Your opinion also matters. So I'd like to know your opinion on this. Should Kotoko extend Samuel Frimpong's contract? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think about that too. Then the next player we have here is Danlad Ibrahim. Now this one is a controversial one because at the beginning of the season he wanted to leave the club. A lot of club came for him and they wanted him on loan, but Kotoko said no, they wanted to have 4 goalkeepers in the squad and they wouldn't let Danlad Ibrahim go. And we also reports that Danlad Ibrahim was considering terminating his Kotoko contract because of the way they treated him and they didn't allow him to leave or move to clubs to get playing time. His contract expires this year and I think that one is going to be a very, very huge case because he'll be needing a lot of persuasion to renew his contract since he's not getting play time. I'm sure that there are clubs swarming around him to get his signature once his contract at Asante Kotoko expires. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Do you think he deserves a new contract or we should let him go? Tell me, put that in the comment section too. The next player we have here is Augustine Okra. Augustine Okra came back from a field move to RS Berkane and he's currently in the squad. His contract will expire in a few months time. Do you think Kotoko should renew his contract or we should let him go? Then the last but not the least is Abdul Ganiyu. Abdul Ganiyu has been one of the best players this season. Abdul Ganiyu has been I think he's one of the reason we haven't considered a lot of goals in the Ghana Premier League this season. I think he deserves a new contract. I don't know about you, but personally, I think Abdul Ganiyu deserves a new contract. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Tell me what you think about the contract situation. Should Kotoko renew Abdul Ganiyu's contract, or should we let him go? It sounds absurd. Should we let Abdul Ganiyu go for free? No one would ever do that. So I'm thinking Kotoko renew Abdul Ganiyu's contract, but I would like to know your thoughts. So those are the players: Abdul Ganiyu, Emmanuel Jumfi, Osman Ibrahim, Habib Mohamed, Naby Keita, Samuel Frimpong, Danlad Ibrahim, and Augustine Okra. Those are the players that their contract at Asante Kotoko will expire this year. So which players do you think we should let go, and which players do you think we should keep? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and click notification bell. See you next time, guys. Goodbye.